Hello, viewers. Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel, The Beauty Blaster. My dear viewers, today I'm going to be talking about the Shaggy Bob hairstyle. This is a great hairstyle for people who want a stylish and low maintenance cut. It's also a great option for people with fine or thin hair, as the layer can add volume and texture. First of all, I will tell you what is a shaggy bob. So, what exactly is a shaggy bob? Well, it's a short layered haircut that is typically chin length or shortener. The layers are cut to create a messy, textured look. The choppy ends give the hair a lot of movement and volume. And now let me tell you benefits of shaggy bob. There are many benefits to getting a shaggy bob, uh, like just a few I'm telling you. It's a low maintenance haircut. You don't have to worry about styling your hair every day. It's a versatile hairstyle. You can wear it in a variety of ways, including up, down, or half up, half down. It's a flattering hairstyle. It looks good on people of all ages and hair types. It's a stylish and trendy hairstyle. It's a popular cut that is sure to turn heads. And you know how to style a shaggy bob? There are a few different ways to style a shaggy bob, like for a tousled, beachy look, simply apply a texturing spray to your damp hair and let it air dry. For a more polished look, blow dry your hair with a diffuser and then add a touch of volume with a texturizing spray. More or less, the conclusion is no matter how you style it, the shaggy bob is a great way to add volume, texture, and style to your hair. If you are looking for a low maintenance, versatile, and flattering hairstyle, then the shaggy bob is definitely a great option for you. So, viewers, thank you for watching the Beauty Blaster. Hope you enjoying the video, and this video is will be useful for you. Now do subscribe this channel and like the video and share with your friends and family, and visit this channel Beauty Blaster. You will get huge quantity